Good morning. Way too early for me. So I would prefer if it's like, let's get some breakfast together, shall we? Let's go. Finish. What should I wear? Hey guys, so I just finished, got ready. This is the outfit for today, and I put a hat on. Why? Because my hair is freaking greasy. The perfume for today is Jo Malone English Pear and Freesia. It's like a lot in here. Sheesh. By the way, I'm not going to school right now. I forgot to explain. I'm just gonna go to a cute little Mochi Donuts coffee shop to study because I have an online class at 11 and it's like 9:51, and I have to catch up on with some schoolwork. I want to show you guys the fit again. I love today's outfit.
Now it's 4 in the morning, sun setting.
Sorry, thêm muộn. Có mình cái bọc để em đem về không á? Em cảm ơn. We are finally home. So usually the first things I like to do when I get home, especially after grocery, is I packed out all the stuff that I brought and then like put them away. Like later, let's put away all these things together. Bags is always recycled, so don't worry. So this is my little compartment where I have like some hand wash and some this soap, some bleach, like packed up just in case I run out. Finally made it here to the room, so now I'm just gonna change into some comfy clothes so that I can head downstairs and cook my lunch because I'm starving already. Yeah, I will cook first and then eat and now take a shower later. Ta-da! Trying to be comfy. Okay, let's make some food together, shall we? It's so ugly, oh my gosh. So now I'm gonna season my salmon with just salt and pepper. This is my seasoning tray. Sure that everything is soaked in. The pan to come up to like high heat, and then you turn it down to medium. Hot. Now you put your cooking oil. I'm using vegetable oil. I'm having the heat at 1000. I'm not gonna lie, but this is a little bit fancy lunch right here, just because I'm filming. But usually my go-to lunch is ordering. But yeah, like I kind of treat myself out, and also just for it to look nice on video. So yeah. I must watch something while I eat. 잘 먹겠습니다.
어린 햇살 아래서 뛰어놀곤 했었던 가쁜 숨결.
Hi guys, so I just changed into my little golf outfit. Super cute. I don't know if you guys can see it. I can show you guys the detail later. But now I need to do some quick simple makeup, and I want to color my hair. Why? Because I want to look freaking cute. So that's the plan. Since we're gonna work out today, so let's put on a little bit of deodorant. Let's head out to the dentist because I'm kind of running late. So I'll see you when I get there.
Taking a ride to join a lake. 눈치 보면서 들어가야 할 때 찾아 나머진 바빠 개설레임 바꾸는 사람들 시간만 지나가 자신감 가지고 해와 그냥 천천히 들어가야 해 어쩔 때는 무작정
Wow, our food is here. À dạ, sắp ruột quá. Cái gì vậy trời? Cái gì mà che mặt? Jellyfish, rồi jellyfish salad. Em như mới đem vậy. Có sao nhanh quá vậy ta? Jellyfish.
Hầm miếng mặt người kia.
Say hi.
Hi.
This is my little sister, and I literally like FaceTime her every night and then told her about whatever happens in my life. Love you.
Sorry, I'm gonna leave. I'm driving